Hi, welcome back. You're watching My Girlypedia. Cleansing can be as simple as washing your face with a good cleanser, but some, like me, like to use a tool called cleansing tool. There are different types of cleansing tools. I'll show some of them which I have. And cleansing tools, what they do is they help in cleansing our skin even better. Like our fingers might not be able to cleanse our skin as clean as a cleansing tool does. So cleansing tool is something I really like to use in my skincare routine. I'll show the tools which I use one by one or I have used. So first is this facial brush. This is from the Body Shop. This is like the first cleansing tool I have ever bought. So this costed me around 265 rupees. It's available online as well as in their stores. So this is basically made of these smooth brush, and it comes with a closing lid as well. So this makes it easier to carry whenever you are traveling. The best part is the brush is quite soft, and you just have to apply the cleanser and just work on it using this facial brush. It cleans your skin really well. Next up, I bought this one. This is a silicone one, and I bought it from Forever 21, and it costed me 150 or 200 rupees, quite affordable. It comes with this handle. You just have to put your fingers and work it with a cleanser. They say whenever it's made of silicone, there is no worries of any bacterial growth or development on the tool. So this is like added benefit, and it suits all sort of skin types. So this is something I really love using. Then I got bored with this manual cleansing tool, so I thought of buying some electronic one. I bought this one. This is electronic facial cleanser. It comes with replaceable heads. So it had different heads. One is for cleansing, this one. Other was for scrubbing sort of heads. Anyways, let's talk about only cleanser in this video. So it comes with this brush. This is a cleansing brush, and just like the Body Shop one, it's soft and you just have to turn it on. It runs on a couple of cells, and when you turn it on, it rotates, and with that rotation, you just have to rub your face with a cleanser, of course. So it's gonna clean your face. So I bought it from Amazon, and it costed me 150 rupees, and unfortunately it stopped working after 1 month of use. So yes, this is my take on this one. Next, I tried my hand on this one. I had been to Sephora. There were cleansing tools of same sort, but it was very expensive. So I thought of trying out this one. It's quite a cheaper version of that, and this costed me 490 rupees. I bought it from Miniso, and this is again made of silicone surface, and this has different types of these cleansing teeth. This is for the sensitive skin beauties, and this one is if you have oily skin. So it cleanses really well. It runs on a single cell. You just have to insert a cell and turn it on. So it vibrates, if you can hear. And you just have to apply cleanser on your face and just rub. So it's gonna cleanse your face. I just want to share a few tips or things I came across. So first and foremost, hygiene. When it comes to skincare, you need to maintain a good hygiene. So if you opt for the brushes, you have to make sure you clean the brush after every use and let it dry. Sun dry is something I prefer. So let it dry, and after it's dried completely, then you can use it. Or else there is built up impurities, and it will lead to bacterial growth, and it's gonna damage your skin instead of doing any good to your skin. So please maintain a good hygiene. Silicone one, on the other hand, it's like a lazy girl's dream. So you just have to wash it once with soap water and you're done, because it gets dried really quick. So you just don't have to worry about it. So, and as I said, silicone, there is no worry of any bacterial development on that surface. So that's why silicone one is a best one if you are a lazy one. So these are the cleansing tools I have been using. Currently, I love using this one, and whenever I'm very lazy, this one. So these two are, again, the silicone ones are something I really like. So I hope you find this video useful. Do you use any cleansing tool? If so, please let me know which one. I would love to try different cleansing tools. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye.